This presentation will give you important information about the Accommodations Office and the steps needed to receive accommodations. The Office of Student Accommodations is the office for students with a disability to go that are seeking academic services. These disabilities may be physical, psychological, or learning in nature as defined by Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act and the Americans with Disabilities Amendments Act. The mission of the Office of Student Accommodations is to value students on campus and their right to equal access to Temple College programs and services, provide the opportunity for students to be successful learners, promote students' growth inside and outside of the classroom, and maintain legal compliance to all applicable laws. The student must disclose his or her disability to the Office of Accommodations and request classroom accommodations and complete all application forms. Provide the Office of Student Accommodations with current documentation of the student's permanent disability from a qualified professional. The student must meet with the coordinator each semester to discuss any accommodations and request letters for their instructors. The student's success depends on their ability to manage themselves and their situation. Temple College's designated ADA coordinators shall be responsible for coordinating the college's efforts to comply with and carry out its responsibilities under the ADA. You can find the Office of Student Accommodations in the One College Center, room 1469, or call 254-298-8335.